Hi guys, my name is Abdul Moez and today I am at Exotic Cars Showroom. This is Doha's one of most premium and luxury cars showroom. Today we'll be looking at Maserati Levante Trofeo Launch Edition. This is one of 100 copies and they got one of them. Look at the beauty of this color. This is called Rosso Magma. It's an Italian word. Hopefully I don't know whether I pronounce it rightly or no, but look at the color. The most stunning color of its class in red, and it's not all dust. If you talk about the performance and the specification of the vehicle, it can reach from still position to 62 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds. It comes with V8 3.8 liter engine by turbo, and that's providing it almost 600 horsepower. If we try to be precise, it will be around 590 horsepower. The best thing about this launch edition is it's not the color only or the specification of the engine, it's about the detailing they provided. They have used carbon exterior, interior and the engine details to make it more extensively beautiful, luxurious and appealing. This is among one of the world's most fastest SUVs. The best thing about exotic cars is two things are guaranteed. Number one, they don't buy headache, they don't sell headache. So what does that mean? It means the cars you buy from here or the car you're gonna look at here in the stock, either those would be 0 kilometer, brand new, coming as the official warranty by the manufacturer and service pack, or even if it's not under warranty, you're gonna get the car which has absolutely no problems, means would be less mileage and with least possible issues in the car. Second thing is, the team is highly professional. They have team who have the background from different automotive sectors and have extensive experience. Almost 2 decades in the business and automotive. They have branches not only in Qatar, rather than in other GCC countries too. So I will request you to just have a quick view of the car right after this one and consider visiting the showroom. I am sure you're gonna get one of your dream cars at the best possible prices. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next episode. See you. Take care. Bye now.